Hi guys, today in this video, I will be making a simple mist fog maker humidifier circuit. This circuit is simply powered by 555 timer IC and can be operated on 12 volts adapter. Then I converted schematics into the PCB for easy assembly. And the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components on the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl alcohol. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. This video is sponsored by Altium 365, the ultimate collaboration platform for secure electronics development. Let's take a look what is possible. Collaborate seamless with your team, view, edit and discuss projects in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page, at the same time, no matter where they are. Also, Altium introduces you with the Altium Students Lab. Get free access to Altium Designer with students license, and PCB design courses. Enjoy seamless collaboration with Altium 365, get access to industry-leading software, learn the foundation of PCB design with course certificate, get career opportunities through internships and scholarships, also get hands-on experience to skill development. So, enroll today for free, and accelerate your career in electronics design. I connected a 12-volt jack in DC connector. I will use multimeter to set frequency to 113 kHz. Connect multimeter across ground and pin 3 of 555 IC. Now connect ultrasonic piezoelectric disc into this connector. I will use bottle cap for water to test the circuit. Fill the cap with enough water, and disc should float on liquid. Now let's connect the 12-volt DC supply. As you can see, ultrasonic piezoelectric disc started making good amount of mist fog spray. So, if you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.